Hello everybody, welcome to my video. This is K. Pritish Kumar, studying first B.Ed English, Sakti Institute of Teacher Education and Research, Palakanuttu, Ottanjatram, Tindikal District. Today we are going to see Contemporary India and Education. Unit 6, Policy Framework on Education, Post-Independent India. My topic is Kothari Commission Report 1964 to 1966. About Kothari. His full name is Dald Singh Kothari. He was born on 6th July 1906, Udaipur. Education, University of Allahabad. Occupation, Scientific Advisor to Ministry of Defence, Indian Scientist and Educationalist. Books, Autumn and Self. Collection of lectures, Education and Character Building. Collection of Convocation Address. He received prizes Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. He died on 14th February 1993, Jaipur. This commission was headed by Dr. Dald Singh Kothari. Late J.P. Nayak was the ex-head of the department in educational planning. Pune, a member secretary who was working in Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics. This commission consists 17 members. This commission take necessary advice from 20 consultants from different countries. This commission submit a report, Magna Carta, which consists of 900 pages. Introduction. Kothari Commission is otherwise known as Indian Education Commission. This commission was set up by the Government of India on 14th July 1964 under the chairmanship of Dald Singh Kothari, then the chairmanship of UGC. Kothari Commission. This commission held it between the years of 1964 to 1966. History. The history under the chairmanship of Dr. D.S. Kothari was the 6th commission in Indian post-independence. Was the first commission which gave reference on education. The commission had submitted its report on 29th June 1966. Its recommendations were adopted in India's first National Policy on Education 1968. Next, Kothari Commission Educational System. In Nation Policy on Education 1986 and also this commission suggested the uniform pattern of education system as 10 plus 2 plus 3. The main aim of this commission is all aspects of the educational sector across all over the country. National goals of education and means to achieve them. Education related to life become powerful instrument in social, economic, cultural necessary for the realization of our national goals. The important problems of India faces: poverty, illiteracy, unemployment problem. The most effective way to their solutions to relate education to our national goals. Development of fiscal resources through modernization of agriculture and industrialization. Development of human resources through program of education. The main recommendations of Kothari Commission is free and compulsory education, the fulfillment of the directive principle under Article 45 of the Indian Constitution says provide free and compulsory education for all children age group between up to 14. Study of language. Regarding study of language, this commission recommended the Hindi as the official language next to that of mother tongue. A working language of English continue to be the students. Science education and research. Science based education become an integral part of school education. In lower primary classes, science teaching related to the child's environment. Higher primary stage, acquisition of knowledge, ability to think logically. In lower secondary stage, science teaching should be the development as a discipline of the child. Examinations. A major goal of examination should be complete the reliability, validity of examination and make evaluation a continuous process, helping to improve his or her students' level. Education structure. 1 to 3 years of preschooling, 7 to 8 years of primary up to class 8th. Lower secondary stage, 2 years, 9th and 10th. Public external examination could be conducted at the end of the first 10 years of schooling and 2 years of higher secondary stage up to class 12th. Next 3-year degree course, then second course, then research degree. Age of admission to class 1 not less than 6 years. Teacher education. This commission have several qualities of teacher educations. Teacher education is the quality of teachers training. This commission recommended the duration of teacher education is 2 years. That's a continuous evaluation. Then there's a teaching practice is 8 weeks. Teacher education is the qualification of teacher educators. The methods of teaching is seminar, workshop, project. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.